Hello! So guys, tonight I'm going out on a date with my husband, so I figured what a great idea to film a get ready with me. I haven't filmed one of these in so long, so I'm very excited. It's gonna be like I'm getting ready with my friends and I'm loving this. And also in today's video we're gonna review the Boomba inserts. They very kindly sent me this product. I chose the Ultra Boost inserts. This is what they look like. I've heard some good things about them. They're supposed to lift your boobs and make them look bigger, and they promise to replace those annoying bras. So I can't wait to try them on and give you my honest opinion. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my most important step before I do my makeup is to prepare my skin. I've already done my skincare routine off camera because I've shown you quite a few times how I do it and the products that I use. I haven't changed anything, so we're gonna go straight with the makeup. Okay, so I don't usually use primer, but I'm gonna use today this Instant Pore Eraser, just a little bit. I usually use this on my nose and a little bit here, because I have larger pores here and this product makes them look kind of smaller, so that's why I only use it here. So guys, I think I have perfected my makeup base because my skin looks so nice every time I use these products and I get so many compliments. So I'm mixing these three products all together. So we have my all-time favorite foundation. I've talked about this a million times, and also I'm mixing these two together. We have the NYX Burn to Glow Liquid Illuminator and the L'Oreal Blushin. So these three products all together are the key for heaven. So I don't use a lot of foundation. I'm gonna do only like 2 small pumps like this. Then I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Blushin. I use quite a lot of this product because it gives a nice glow on the skin and I love that. And only a little bit from this product because it's kind of dark and we don't want to use too much. I'm using a brush like this. Also, I'm gonna tap it a little bit on the back of my hand because I don't want to use a lot of product on my skin. I only start with a little bit so I can control it better. I love these three products so much because they give you such a nice color and such a nice glow on the skin. If you want to have more coverage, of course, you can always go with more foundation. Now I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Okay, and for me, this is the perfect base. I don't know how it looks through the camera, but in person, it looks so good. So next we're gonna do concealer. Okay, I have a feeling that my makeup is gonna look really good tonight. So next I'm gonna use this cream bronzer and we're going very hard tonight. I'm gonna use a lot of bronzer, that's what I mean. Like always, but I don't know, tonight I wanna look extra bronzed. So guys, I love summer. I am a summer girl and this is my favorite time of the year. But I hate doing my makeup during summer because it's too hot and I get sweaty, and every time I do my makeup it feels like a workout or something. This is my least favorite thing of summer and sometimes I just can't help it. I don't want to do my makeup, I don't want to go out. Okay. I've been using this same cream bronzer for like 3 years now, 2.5. It's still so good. I love this cream bronzer. It always gives you a really nice color and it blends so easily on the skin. I love getting ready in a white draw, but I always make it super dirty every time I do my makeup. If you're looking for a good cream blush, this is your answer. This is the best cream blush ever. I have the Shade Peach. Guys, for me this color is unbelievable. Like if summer was a color, it would be this color for me. So I'm not gonna say anything about this product, I'm just gonna show you and I'm gonna let the magic happen on my face. I like to put my blush up here on my cheekbones because I think it lifts the whole face and I like it more. Just look at this color, guys. Obsessed. So for my brows, first I'm gonna use this pomade and I'm gonna fill the gaps a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this brow pencil again from Refi and very lightly I will just fill my brows here in the front. And now we're gonna set them with this product. Next I'm gonna use this setting powder. I haven't used this powder in so long, so tonight we're bringing this back. So my go-to cocktails are #1 margarita. I love a good margarita. I love this cocktail so much. I also love a good martini, and I think my third one is Aperol. So next I'm gonna do some faux freckles all over the nose. Cute. Okay, we have mascara and lips. This is my go-to mascara the past few months. Before I do my lips, I'm gonna set my face with this setting spray. So for the lippies, I'm gonna use this MAC lip liner in a shade Real. And for the lips, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Hit in a shade Lemon Lava. I haven't used this in so long. So guys, we're done with the makeup, and I think that makeup is makeuping. What do you think? Okay guys, now we're gonna get dressed and let's try these Boomba inserts. So I chose the Ultra Boost inserts. I went for the color base and the size B. They have a size chart on their website so you can find the right size for you. So a few things about the Boomba inserts. They're supposed to lift your boobs and boost up to 2 cup sizes. They're double-sided adhesive for extra security. They have water and sweat resistant, and they work better in tight, structured and fitted tops. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is how this top fits without the inserts. So now let's try them on. So we're supposed to stick the insert onto the inside of our clothing and not to our skin. And then we're supposed to scoop or press up and towards the center. Okay guys, and this is the after. Of course, it's the first time I'm using these products, so I need to practice how to stick them on properly. But for the first time, I think we're good. They feel very secure and very comfortable, and they could easily work with low-cut tops. Like this, for example. It will give you a really nice cleavage. I can tell for sure that these inserts can replace. Oh my gosh. So guys, I will have linked in the description box their website and all the details about the product that I used. If you're looking for pads to replace your bras, definitely try these ones. So guys, we had a very successful get ready with me because makeup is makeuping, boobies are boobing, so that's all I have for today. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me a lot. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.